Is that a bird? This is a bird nest? Oh hell, there's eggs in there. Well, that's lovely. Well, I guess I'll be waiting until those hatch to do anything, because I'm not gonna kill birds. Listen to that. So, fridges have magnetic strips now instead of handles like this where you unlatch them, because there's no way to unlatch it from inside. And if these shelves weren't in here, a small kid could fit in there. So say I were to have some pesky neighbor kids or something, you just shut them in the fridge, and I mean they're the whole fridge I can pull by the door and tip the whole thing. They're not getting out. Look at those birds.